All right. Tara hates when this happens in Facebook. Like, so hear that sound? So like, you try the volume buttons, nothing happened, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like you're trying to like just turn it down with the volume button. Like, what happens when you hit the volume button?
That's not the volume button.
That's not the volume button. See, I don't even know where the volume button is.
So
On the
it's
other side.
down.
So it's all the way down. So the volume is muted right now. So
Mm-hmm. It's still.
what the heck? Like, why does it do that? All right, so here's how you turn it off.
Finally figured it out.
All right, go to menu,
Go to settings.
settings and privacy.
Go to settings and privacy.
Settings and privacy.
Settings.
Settings.
All the way down.
All the way down. Like way down. All the way down. Media and contacts. Sounds in the app. A switch. So you can't turn it down to a lower volume, but you can turn it off. So let's see what happens now. Same post.
No sound.
Blessed silence. So now you can lay in bed and you won't wake up your partner with and you know when you scrolled up your name was there. So now you're gonna have all these Facebook friend requests because people are gonna watch this video and go like, oh. But anyway, so that's how you solve that problem. So if this video helped you, yeah. And there's your little like dinosaur. So that's how.
This is the best.
And then that's a little R2D2. So yeah, so if the video helped you, like it please and subscribe for more. And thanks. Have a great day. Do something nice for somebody. Don't get caught.